Okay, welcome to class. This video, it will give you a way to kind of show you around. If you're not in class, we'll do it on our own. We won't watch this video in class, but it is here as a recording if you need it, or if you want to start on it before we get going on Monday. It is also here, so it's there for you to help you understand how the class will be scheduled. So the first thing is these. The course menu, you can always click around in that, but I won't give it to you as sequentially as what I've created for you on the main page, which is these buttons. This is just a banner, this AP Chemistry. Hey, look, there's methane in 5 different formats and my favorite chemistry cat meme. But that's beside the point. Not a clickable link, but the very first clickable link you should probably go to is this Getting Started one. If you click on that, we'll take you to a page that has 2 buttons. It'll have 3 by the time at the top. There'll be another button or another the embedded video of what I'm recording right here. And then there's the safety module and the syllabus. The syllabus is there for you to look at. It has due dates in there that are not very accurate because I have no idea how timing is going to go due to the fact that our block sizes have changed. I tried to schedule it the best we could, but those dates may change. The first test date probably won't. The safety module, if you click on this, will take you to what the safety is required, how we're going to digitally sign our safety contract, and taking the safety quiz. It's all within this when you click on safety module. It is a module, so you could also get there by clicking on modules, but that's up to you. So I'm going to go back now. So that's pretty much for getting started. AP Classroom, that's something everyone's going to have to sign up for. If you've already signed up for it, I click on the button. If you've already signed up for it, welcome back. Please sign in. If you haven't, you go over to create an account. I'm sure you guys all know how to create an account. Put all that information in there, and once you've created an account, since I've already created an account, if you have any trouble creating an account, I don't know what to tell you. Hopefully you'll be in class, or you can send me an email, or you can contact anyone, but I'm just going to log in so you can see the next page. I hope I actually messed up on the password. We'll see. Hey, I did. So if you get the password right, of course, it's probably pretty important to get the password right. Got it right the second time, I think. So it's going to go to AP Classroom. The thing I'm going to show you is that, of course, my view is going to be different than yours, but this is something where we're going to get all the 9 units. I don't know what yours is even going to look like, because a very interesting thing is that I have created a class under my classes. Let me go there. Here is our class, and I'm unfamiliar with this because it's very new, but if I click on this year's class, it tells me I don't have any students enrolled, so I can't really set anything up. But the one thing you can do if you want to do it ahead of time, and you watch this before we do it in class, is you can get this class code and you can sign into your classes, and that it'll tell you how to do that when you get logged into AP Classroom. And we'll do that in class. If you get stuck, you'll be hopefully in the Zoom and be able to get there on your own. I'm just going to go clicking back a few times just because I need to get to the main page. Okay, getting started. So if I go back to the home page, so that's something we need to do because we're going to be taking progress reports. That's where we'll be taking all our unit tests will be through AP Classroom. So there's that. About me, that the only reason to really look there is if you wanted to see, my life. I'm not going to really talk about it right now, but there's also my phone number and email there if you don't know it. And then this, oh look, I did click on it. Well, I'm going to go back. There I am. Hey, look, it's not much. There's just a couple pictures and a bunch of links to where I've been in my life and stuff. But there's also the Zoom meeting. If I clicked on that, it would open the Zoom meeting. We're going to have the same Zoom meetings for at least the first couple of weeks. Maybe the first quarter it'll be the same link, so don't lose that link. Maybe save it to your desktop, and you'll see that the password is my name, no capital S, just Steinhoff. So that's pretty much all those, and then there's just one more, and it's right here, and that one right there is the quarter 1. These are going to change quite a bit. You'll see that these ones say coming soon, but the quarter 1, which is where we are right now, if I click on that, it's just going to take us to a Google Doc. Well, it's not to a Google Doc, but what's the quarter 1 page, which is also available in Pages. This first thing is the actual doc, and this is just a cut and pasted doc right here, and what we'll be doing for the first 2 weeks. Some of it isn't even available yet. It says available soon, but the top part, there's links. These are things we're going to go over in class. It even talks about, what we're going to do, getting started with Canvas, complete the safety module, look at the syllabus, sign up for ACP Classroom. The CK12 review module, it's not available. You can't do that yet. It may be available by the time you've watched this video, but I'm not really sure because I'm running out of time. There's just too much to do and too much up in the air. So I'm trying not to get too stressed out. I hope you guys aren't either. But if I go back to the main page, at some point I may have, and I will have a calendar. And you can look on the calendar for due dates. As of right now, I don't believe there's a calendar. Again, things are always going to be up to date. So there should be a calendar. And that's right here, located under courses over here, and you click on the calendar and it should have the dates that things are due, but right now there's nothing besides probably maybe the quiz, the safety quiz. And then possibly if I go back to the home page, the goal is also at some point when you click on this quarter 1 button, none of these buttons are live, 2, 3, 4 quarter, of course, but quarter 1 button, it'll take you to a new set of buttons based upon the weeks and or the units. I haven't really decided how that's going to look, but each one will have some sort of a playlist and clickable links to everything that we need in order to be successful. There's lots of things we're going to talk about in class that aren't on here that we're going to use. There's great YouTube videos. There's lots of AP Chemistry. I hope that this makes sense to you. We are not going to watch this video in class. It's just there for more for you, the online people, and as an introduction to what's going on. But we're going to try to have a big Zoom meeting where that'll be covered a little more in depth on the first day of class. And so thanks, and I'll talk to you later.